Good morning, everyone. We're just leaving this little campsite we built last night. Praiser was over there. I was right in here. And off we go. We only got about 2 miles to the hostel. So it's supposed to be mostly downhill. So that's a good thing. Maybe you might have some little small ups, but nothing big. Praiser said she heard something last night squalling. I don't know, I slept right through it. Okay, I'm going to jump off here, get on down trail. I'll see you in a bit. Here, guys, this goes down to Rebel Trail. There's a little bench there to sit on. There's water down that way, it says. Don't know how far. Good. I'm going to jump off here. Look at these big old ferns, guys. They're about as tall as me. This we look like It's alright. Look at all these ferns, guys. So many of them. Ouch! Sorry. Sometimes you step on rocks and roots the wrong way and they hurt really bad. My knees hurt sometimes so bad. Whew. Tell you that hurt. Okay guys, I want to jump off here. This is what I'm looking at. See you in a bit. Okay, finally got out of them big rocks. Ran into the couple that staying at Reary Feet. They've been slack packing the trail. I don't think I think they're just section hikers. But at least they're out here hiking. Aw, something tore a butterfly up. That's sad. That's nature for you. Yep. Hang on, I gotta get down. Okay, guys. This was a little of a doozy, especially that first rock up there. Right there. I had to throw my poles down and hang on to a tree to get down. I didn't think I was gonna make it. Okay, let me get down this one. I know it's small, but I gotta have two hands. See y'all in a minute. Okay, guys. Fraser said that we should come to a dirt road, and we walked down to Woods Hole. So should be getting close, she said. That's what she said earlier. It don't look like it. I see her way up there. She's got them long legs and she can go quicker. And I still get the end result. I just got shorter steps. She said by the time we done all the walking yesterday, we done about 14 miles. So we went down to that waterfall and then we done the row walk up and around. Cause I was about to go up into that field again because down to weary feet because it was these flowers, they had stickers on them, they sticking right into your pants, and I got a bumblebee on me and about stung me, and Sugar Run Gap, Woods Hostel, half a mile. Okay. So we got half a mile left. Oh, there's that road. Guess she's talking about. I guess we get on it up here. But anyways, so we done a row walk around, and I went to the suspension bridge. Oh God. Oh no, we're gonna cross. This ain't the road.
Yes, it is.
There's a white blaze.
We go that way.
There's a white blaze on that tree.
That's after you leave Woods Hole.
So we gotta walk back.
We gotta walk this, yes.
Okay. Yeah, we'll have to walk back. Okay. So, guess we're walking to Woods Hole. About 12.4 it says on this side to Woods Hole to get my tent. So let's hope it's there. Okay, I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, guys, looky here. I got to do tent. Thank you, Jeffrey. And I have to look, but I'm pretty sure your name is Lynn that messaged him on Facebook. This is the tent he got me. I got it fixed up. Look, it even's got little holders for you for tent and shoes and stuff. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because mine's broke. They're going to help me mail off Pance's tent. It'd be about a week, but he said he'd help me get it fixed up so I don't have to carry it into Pearisburg. But yeah, did good. There's this little glamping tent that they got for rent. There's an outhouse. I'll show you that here in a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm showing Fraser my tent. Yeah, I have them little storage things. This is the outhouse. So I guess campers can come over here. Thank God. It's got two-seater. It's a two-seater. And it's got toilet paper. And there's toilet paper down there. Nice. You always have that problem when you got stuff out here like this. But I love how they got the little signs up. Giles, he's in the kitchen. They usually do dinner, but guess the owner is out in Mexico, he said, for a week. So no dinner tonight, but we will have breakfast in the morning. And they got chairs here so you can sit and watch the sunrise or sunset. I think it's the sunrise comes up this way. Look at that view, guys, of the mountains. It's just so blue back through there. We started set up here, and then she walked up. She said, well, this is leveler. So, but yeah, they got like glamping tents. I gotta pack my pack up there. But I ain't no hurry. It's like $20 a night, so that's not bad. And then your breakfast is $10, I think. I have to look and see. But the bunkhouse is old cabin, guys. The main house. And we walked up and the doors were open. Just sign saying they'll be back. We're at the grocery store. And that's how it is at my house, you know. Leave the doors right open. Nobody doesn't bother nothing. You got these little smoking area, and they got trash for your butts and your chair. AT sign. This is your shower house and laundry and toilet. It's all in this. She's got these beautiful windows up. I'll take you up there and show you. And the doors on this place slides open. We sat here for a while and helped ourselves to stuff, and I finally messaged them and told them we were here. This is I got stuff here. Free travel size soap. They got free soap that's been made. Oh, there's some. I'm not looking at. Epsom salts, towels and washcloths, laundry. Here's laundry clothes. There's a toilet. I use one on the other side and sink. Backpacks for slack packing. Oh man, look at the showers. Holy moly, look at how they done that towel. That's beautiful, guys. Mirror for you to see yourself. She's got these little flags up. Out. See this one? Please limit showers to 5 minutes. Please. Oh, that's for cold weather. This is the toilet I used. And the doors, all the doors slide. So, I like that. Or this is an old log cabin. And the door slide on it. They got a map here so you can pin where you're from. There's a bunkhouse here. Look at the flooring. Old wood stove. Pictures. I like all the little stained glasses. Yeah, you stay here with the dinner table here, chairs, fridge. Help yourself, and you just write down what you get. And this is your recycling area, your trash. Let's see. Let's go up here and look at the resupply closet. I haven't been up here yet. I like how the steps are made out of rock, but it sure is hard on the knees. Ready supply. Oh, they got peak meals. We have to get something for tonight. Pepperoni, beef jerky, 6 dashers. Like I said to them, they're good to have, but they won't work. They got pig bars, ooh, honey buns, and oatmeal pies. Guys, they're reasonable on their resupply stuff. Roman's 50. Lattes, coffee. Oh, Sawyer's $45. I need one of them, but gotta wait. Organic coconut. Element, $12. Toothpaste. Oatmeal. And they got more peak breakfast. I may look at their peak breakfasts because I need one. I need something for dinner tonight. They got ibuprofen, Body Glide. They got about anything you'd want here, guys. And it looks like the prices is reasonable. I think they're reasonable. I'll lock the door back. Keep the critters out. Yeah, because I only got 2 dinners, so I might have something for tonight because they're not doing dinners because Neville is gone on vacation. See there, resupply. They got anything you can want up there.
Really? Where's that at?
Right there in that shed. They even got beef jerky and everything.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, honey. They got peak meals. They got everything. We got to have something for dinner tonight.
Well, I'm going to go up there and look. I didn't know.
Yeah. This is the outside, guys. I know it's information. There's my pack. I just throwed it down. I have he's been cutting grass. Little fire pit. Look at that. Look at that old log cabin. I mean, we walked in there and looked. It was open. So you make yourself at home. So that's what me and Fraser did. We used to make ourselves at home. Look at this one. Isn't that cute? They got a little pond over here. Oh, I thought that fire pit was a pond, but here's a little pond. It's got some little fish in it. Little guppies. Huh. See, I would have go fish in mine. But yeah, they got private cabins back through there. It's a beautiful place. I suggest if you're hiking day 2 to come by and at Woods Hole Hostel and stay a bit. Kick off your shoes and relax. Look, they got even hiking sticks in there for the flowers. Look here, they got, I like how they got these trees for your hiking sticks. People's got hiking sticks in there. I picked these things up and they're heavy. Can't believe I packed something like that. Yeah, they got picnic tables out there. We can sit and eat. And they do work for stay. You just gotta talk to them. But I think they got private rooms up there. I'm not sure. But, oh, I didn't even take you upstairs here. See, they got a sink out here that runs. They got steps here. Goes upstairs. Oh, God. Don't fall, Sharon Faye. And that right there is where you set your shoes at. Look at that. I had painting. Oh, God. Okay. Look at the beds up here, guys. I'm not going to go any further, but look at that. Ain't that beautiful? I got paintings. Paintings right through there. Whoever's the artist here, buddy, they're very talented. I admire them. Okay. Let me get back down. I like how it's all opened, you know, or you can close it either one, getting fresh breeze coming through. Okay, guess I'm gonna jump off here, and I think I showed you everything. If I see anything else, I'll be right back and show it to you. See you in a minute.
Turn the light on in there. Right
Turn the light over there, he said. Guys, this is the original house. Just turn the light on. From the 1860s.
Oh yeah, there you go.
God, look at the books. Oh, man.
This is the original table. Aunt Tilly had this in 1984 when she started the hospital.
Oh.
Wow.
It's 86. This is the 40th year of Woods Hole Hospital.
Really?
Yeah, this is where we're the third oldest hospital
Look
on
there.
trail.
Wow.
Guys.
This is where we have the grateful circle in the morning. We give something we're grateful for. Most of the time we have 20, 30 people when we're busy. Only happens for a few weeks this year. Every other year it was 6 and 8 weeks. And we have it outside there and we eat around back, but you'll be eating here tomorrow or wherever you would like. It's unfortunate it was a really bad year again, 2 years in a row. Like
The house. I could run down there and get our laundry started.
Yeah,
I got a drink down there.
Okay.
Here, guys.
there was coffee in there if you wanted to drink coffee.
Probably a
Kitchen.
glass of ice water if you could.
Yeah, we don't have no ice in
No
this
ice?
house.
Okay.
That's a good one. Let me wash my hands real quick. Yeah, ice is like, I don't know, it's such a novelty up here, we're so far up there. We always have cheese and things like that.
I got homemade soap. Show you around. Okay, guys. Praise her. I'll be right back up here, honey. Rocks. I'm gonna go down here and get my laundry started. This Charles. He's so nice. This is a nice place. He said if you can't, they have a donation jar. So if you can't pay for your stay or you're a little short of money, you can cut it in half, or you can let them know and they'll feed you for free or let you stay for free. Comfy stay, but I mean, if you can afford it, you need to pay for it. You can go down here and get my get the laundry started and grab my drink that's sitting here on the table. So he's got some cheese and bread. Homemade. He's made it homemade. Cheese and bread. Both. I made the cheese. So, oh Jesus. Get this laundry started. I got one like this, so I got to see. On. Ah, it's on. That's all there was to it. Okay. So, yeah, John got hurt in the whites. And but he said we should be alright because we're taking our time and doing what we're doing. So that's always a good thing. Oh, I've got my sock. Dropped it. Let me run that back out there. Ah, sorry guys, I lost my sock. Got looking down and seen it laying there. I'm glad I got it before it started. Let's see. Wait. Let me be right back. I gotta figure out how to do this. Okay, guys. I got it. It's just like one similar to what I had. Oh man, he had the washer and dryer when I moved in with him. As fancy as can get out. Front loaders on pedestals, and I tore his washer up. And I'm bad for that. Bad for that. So, let's go out here and see about this tent. I'll see y'all in a minute. Just in time, guys. We can go up and look at the rest of the house. That's nice. Ugh. I'm slow.
It'd be hard to keep this warm in the winter time.
Yeah, they probably got a heating stove.
Oh, wow. Wonder what they charge to rent one of these rooms.
It's on the app. Look at there, guys.
Wow.
I love the paintings.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Personal sink. I love all these paintings. Whoever's painting these, they're good.
We've got 3 beds in it. Judy says I bet she rented that room over there. Nice.
Oh yeah. Those stuffed beds.
Yep. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, it's real mattresses. About like when I stayed in a few it's like that and I didn't want to get out of the bed. Remember at Burke's Garden?
Yeah.
Well, at least I got to show y'all the rest of the house, guys. I'll see y'all in a bit. Video. Look here, guys, at this. Fresh homemade apple butter, fresh homemade cheese, homemade bread, homemade butter. Oh, Lord, I died and went to heaven. I'll see y'all in a bit.